think it's important to understand the nature of this office. And it's a specialized office. It's an office staffed with technicians. Yeah. If you have a workshop for cars, then you employ mechanics, and they'll be not interested in anything other than just to look into the mechanics of your car and the like. There are technicians you have for that. So that is the nature of this office. But what we don't help people with is how to avoid paying tax, let alone evade paying tax. So actually, our position is very clear when it comes to tax collection. Pay, pay, pay. All that we are saying is that, however, much as we say people must pay, they must be treated fairly. They mustn't pay 1 cent more than they should pay. We never had problems, not any time, with SARS in regard to the way we interact with SARS. We've always had their cooperation whenever we interacted with them. Not that we didn't have some complaints against SARS. One of the complaints, perennial complaint we have against SARS is that sometimes they take long to implement some of the recommendations and so forth. We would be quite happy if SARS could put in place measures, be it the appointment of deputy commissioner, be it A, B, C, D, and so on and so forth, to put in place mechanisms that will go a long way towards eliminating complaints by taxpayers. There shouldn't be complaints. Why should people complain? We should treat people well. We should treat people the way they should be. We should treat people fairly, so that we don't have to have complaints. And that's a very important thing because it touches on the issue of tax morale and tax compliance.